Hi there, this is Noah with ERS. So for Tip Tuesday this week, we're going to talk about Control F or Command F. It's a super useful trick for finding text on a page. So I am looking at the original Google Doc that we used for a knowledge base article about a feature in the ERS system. And I remember there's something about expiration that I wanted to read, and I can't remember exactly where it was. So I'm going to go ahead and do a Command F, and that is going to give me a little box that I can type into. Sweet. Yep, that's the text I was looking for. So again, how you do this is Command F, that's F as in Frank, on a Mac, or Control F, F as in Frank, on a PC. And it really is that simple. You can do this on a web page, or you can do it in a text document. And in fact, in some programs like this one, you can actually replace text. And you can basically do this in any computer program or web page, pretty much anywhere. So that's it for Tip Tuesday this week. Super short and sweet. Hope this was helpful. Please do feel free to subscribe to the ERS YouTube channel by clicking on our logo in the lower right-hand corner of this video, so you never miss out on any of these Tip Tuesday videos. All right, y'all. Till next week, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.